Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a MoYou London haul video for you. MoYou London about 3 or 4 weeks ago had another of their $1 and $2 stamping plate sale, and of course I could not resist. You know that MoYou London really wants to bankrupt me, and I actually found a nice number of plates in their offering that I didn't own, and this time I managed not to pick up any duplicate, so I'm very proud of myself. If you guys would like to know about these sales that MoYou London has, I would recommend you to subscribe to their newsletter. I get a notification in my emails, and that's how I know when these sales are going on. They're usually 48 hours, and they do have a flat rate shipping of $10. So each of these plates at the end, when I add the total together, came to around $2.10 or something like that, which is an amazing price for MoYou London stamping plates. In today's video I will show you close-ups to the plates that I purchased, but if you would like to see any of these in an upcoming nail art tutorial, please let me know which plate caught your interest, and definitely also follow me on Instagram. That's where I usually get to use most of my stamping plates and show you some nail art on my nails. Anyways, if you do enjoy haul videos, please give me a thumbs up, and as I mentioned to you in my previous videos, I still have a few piles sitting next to me, so definitely I will have some more haul videos for you very soon. So if you don't want to miss out on any of those, also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright guys, I will link for you MoYou London's website in the description box, but if you have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. I do hope everybody is still safe and sound, and I believe that's it for this quick intro outro combination. So thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.